The Trendline command is a powerful tool used to add trend analysis to your time series data. It calculates and displays trend lines by applying various smoothing and fitting methods, helping you understand patterns and movements over time. The Trendline command calculates moving averages and fits polynomial trend lines to data organized by time. It allows you to smooth fluctuations and extract meaningful trends from noisy datasets. The basic syntax of the Trendline command starts with a vertical bar followed by trendline. You specify the trend type in parentheses, the period, the data field to analyze, and the name of the new field where the calculated trend line will be stored. Several trend types can be used with this command. Simple Moving Average, or SMA, calculates the unweighted mean of data points. Exponential Moving Average, EMA, gives more weight to recent values. Weighted Moving Average, WMA, assigns different weights to each point. Polynomial fitting approximates data with a curve defined by polynomial equations. Common parameters include the period, which defines the number of points used or polynomial degree, the field to analyze, such as time or value, and the name for the output trend line. Here is an example of using the Trendline command with Simple Moving Average and Exponential Moving Average. The first line calculates a 5-point simple moving average on the value field, storing it in a new field named SMA_trend. The second line calculates a 10-point exponential moving average on the same field. These examples demonstrate how to add smooth trend lines for your analysis. The Trendline command is useful for analyzing time series data to identify underlying patterns. It smooths fluctuations by applying moving averages and helps detect nonlinear trends using polynomial fitting. This makes it ideal for forecasting future data behavior and improving the quality of your insights. Using the Trendline command simplifies complex datasets by highlighting general trends. Polynomial fitting enhances forecasting accuracy. The command supports multiple moving average types for flexible analysis. It integrates easily within search processing language pipelines and improves data-driven decision-making by offering clear trend insight. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.